right, in the heart of South Beach, Washington and 17th Street, picking up a very special guest. All right, this is where Chef Rush is. Let me look for him. Chef, got you on camera. What's up, my friend? Good to see you. Yeah.
Good to see you.
Everyone's good. All right, let's put your stuff here. Are you pretty hungry? Did you eat your 20?
Am I pretty hungry? Are you
Okay.
serious? Really? You just asked that question?
You just want to make sure you're hungry. And did you get your 24 boiled eggs this morning?
I didn't get my 24 here.
Okay.
So I only got about 6.
Oh man.
They had to save some for everybody else. So I was disappointed with that.
Yeah. All right, cool. Let's go.
Awesome.
This is our dealer. This is our man right here. We got our dealer here in the house. Our truffle dealer.
How you guys doing?
Let's introduce you to Chef Rush.
Hey, Steph, how you doing?
I've been looking for a dealer. That's the best kind right there.
This guy gets them all the way from Italy.
Oh, wow.
Check out what he's got.
You gotta check this out.
So right now I got some chanterelles,
Oh, that's beautiful.
and then I have some morels for you guys.
Oh,
And then I also brought you guys some summers, truffles, for that guy. And then I also have some winters.
God, that's
Oh, these are nice,
amazing.
yeah.
Look at that.
See?
Yeah, you can tell just from the outside how it's
I'm shaking. I think I grew another
maybe another
3
inch.
inch. Oh, but this is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Look at those morels.
Yeah.
This is like the commercial for a cell phone company.
Right. The dealer, they calling.
The dealer called.
They're definitely calling.
So this gentleman here, he's been the chef at the White House from Clinton to Trump.
Oh, nice.
And now, he's, of course, he's served for the country 25 years. Check out his biceps and his triceps, 24, 25-inch arms.
Not as big as his, but I'm getting there.
About
Work in
maybe his
progress.
his right thigh.
Probably
His left thigh. But I thank you so much for dropping these off. We're making something really special for him.
Hey, all the time.
And wanted the best truffle out there, of course.
Glad I could help.
Yeah, you guys want more information? Well, see, look down below. That's his company name. Check him out. And you send all over the United States, right?
Yes, I do.
All
We
right.
do ship.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, no problem.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Hiro-san,
Good afternoon, everyone.
good afternoon to you.
Yes.
Wow, what a treat we have.
Yeah.
Royalty
Yeah.
in our midst. You guys saw him from another previous episode.
And I made sure that I knew you were here, so I just came back in town. So, thank you. I wanted to give you this. My trip is going. So, thank you so much. I really appreciate you.
Oh, wow.
Take everything.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
How nice. We have here Chef Andre Rush.
Special guest.
I'm the special guest today.
Yeah, no, you are the special
He's
guest.
the special guest every day.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. We know you're down here in South Florida just, for some fun things, but to spend time with us, I know your time is invaluable. So thank you so much for being here. We'd like everyone to know a little bit more about you. So if you can share kind of, your...
So, long story short, it's a pleasure to be here and seeing you guys again. And this right here is fantastic. So, I am, everybody knows me as a White House chef. Worked at the White House for many presidents, 4 or 5, who counting. Combat decorated vet, which is Bronze Star, all kind of things. I'm a cook, I'm a chef. I do push-ups. I advocate for suicide. I do 2,202 push-ups a day. Usually not every day because of Saturday and Sunday, but the 22 stands for 22 vets commit suicide a day. It's also for PTSD, mental health, wellness for kids, for sexual trafficking, and also any other things that need to be done for it. So I'm that guy that goes around and kind of spread a positive word, to be around positive people like Hiro and yourself, of course, and just good, great vibes, So a couple of little things I'm doing. I'm on social media. Got my book coming out, which is probably gonna get me kicked out the country because of the White House. Called "Call Me Chef, Damn It." A couple of TV projects coming up as well. But right now, I'm just here and I'm excited to see what the master is going to make for us.
We got something really special right here.
Yes, today is a
Yeah.
very extra size.
Exercise.
Yeah.
It's probably triple X, triple XL.
Triple X size. Today is very special. Okay. So special beef right here.
Right.
Okay. 3 different meat: filet mignon, New York steak, ribeye steak. Like right. So and I have I separated the 3. This is a regular sushi rice right here.
Okay.
Right. So first I'm going to mix this one with a Yukari powder. This is a purple shiso leaf,
Okay.
dried one. I'm gonna make a little bit of purple color in here. And next one, I'm gonna add sesame seeds. The black one, I'm gonna make a little bit color on it, right? And next one, I'm gonna use a truffle.
Okay.
Okay. Then, here I have a special medal here. This one, Torrance LA. Chef Rush gave it to me. This one.
Yes.
So when I look at this one, today I want to make big roll, and inside of the roll, 6 different roll inside. Actually, in the 7 in the center too. Okay. So my plan is in the center, black truffle rolls.
Okay.
And 2 each, filet mignon rolls, ribeye rolls, and New York steak rolls.
Okay.
But not only regular roll. I want to make in katsu also.
Oh, nice.
Because you know why? We need to make an extra calorie.
Yeah. Extra calories. Yeah.
That's a little cheating way. But thank you very much for this one. Yes.
Thank you. Honor.
Let's
This.
yeah, it's beautiful. Thank you so much for your service.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for so much that you do for the people that don't have a voice. The social media information is down below. Make sure you check him out. We are just so thankful that he's here. And of course, he presented that to Hiro in Torrance at the Sushi Chef Institute event. You guys are wondering, so check this out. 24 inches, that's 2 feet. That's basically pretty big arm. Let's take a look.
It's 20. Did we say this is 24 inches?
Yeah.
Did we say? Oh, yeah.
What did you say?
So this is 24. I'm sorry, I didn't say that. I also known for the 24 inches.
Or 25.
20, well, yeah, I've been slacking a little bit. So
Yeah,
24, 25.
24,
We'll
25.
leave it at 24 today.
Hiro, let's see how many. Can you put your hands around his arm? Let's see.
Oh, he can,
Can you do it?
It's not. My both hands cannot wrap it up.
All right, so we're gonna try and beat Chef Andre, and we're gonna do that, Hiro, by creating this really special roll.
Yes.
Thank God you only have 6 inner circles or 7. Imagine you had 8 or 9 or 10. Yeah,
That's
much
gonna be
bigger roll.
crazy. I can't even
Yeah.
fathom that. I'm trying to, conceptually think about what he's getting ready to do.
Yeah.
I'm excited for it because I get to eat. You guys don't. So
Okay, Hiro-san, shall we start?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have a 24 inches long seaweed right here.
Wow. 8 inch or 7.5.
I never done when you make the sushi with a measure tape.
First time
Yeah.
when you have XL in the house, actually triple XL. Yeah, we need measuring tape. And size matters, right?
size does matter.
Okay.
No matter what they say, size matters.
Take a look at this rice. Now look, if you can't finish it, I totally understand. Remember, we're taking a dinner after this, so save some room.
I'm good.
I don't want him more excited to see this roll or see Chef Rush eat it.
You can do it. Never give up.
Right? That's what you say when you're doing
Yeah.
Keep going.
Keep going, yes.
that. When you're on your 2000th push-up, you got
You can do
222
it.
more.
Never give up.
Right.
Keep going.
That's right. What are you looking for, Hiro, when you're looking on the side?
When you're coming up, right, this must be very equal,
Okay.
the size.
Yeah, compared to the
Roll it up.
coin that Chef Rush gave you. Yep.
Because
Make it look very
sushi
similar.
is too huge.
Right.
I cannot hold it like this, you know.
Right, right, right.
So it has to be everything only one shot. Okay.
Oh, wow. That kind of looks like your bicep. It looks like your arm. That does.
But yummier.
Well, you know, there may be some people out there may say
Don't go there.
that's all yummy, yummy.
Don't.
I know I'm not the first one to bring that up, right? Let's be honest.
I thought about that when I said it. I was like, okay, maybe I'll leave it at that.
Comment below.
Looks delicious.
All right, look at Hiro. Oh, my Hiro. Looks okay, Hiro.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. I'll tell you, what calculations that worked.
Last night, you know, I was drawing this one, right? So I was thinking, how do I fold it like that? All right.
All right, before we cut this, let's weigh it.
Okay.
How many ounces do you think? How many pounds, Hiro?
3 pounds,
3 pounds?
3.5.
118. You see that? 118 ounces. So this equates to 7.3 pounds. Oh my goodness.
7.3.
And that's all going to go in your biceps.
That's I think
Yeah.
it's about, I think it might
3
be
pounds each.
Yeah.
3
I'll take
pounds.
that. I'll
Okay.
take that.
I'll take that too. All right, Hiro-san.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's cut it up, and I'm going to tell you right now.
You do know kids don't even weigh that much, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How heavy were you, Chef, when you were born? Do you know?
7 point, how much was this?
7.3.
7.3. That was like 8 something.
8, okay. Wow, so you're bigger than this. Wow.
Ooh.
Oh, you did it, and it actually looks perfect how you designed it.
Okay. I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
put it here.
Wow. The beef actually looks pretty good. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad, right? Not bad, right? I mean,
Yeah, I
think,
tried to make it as medium rare, but
yeah.
of course, you know, I have to wait a little bit. Kind of.
A little extra truffle in the center.
Yeah.
Winter truffle. Hey, Chef, you talk about a challenge coin, right?
Yeah, so the coin I presented to Chef was a challenge coin.
Right.
It was the mother version of this one. And it's called a challenge coin for a reason because they challenge you to be great, challenge you to be better. And President has one, and all the official leaders have one, and they present them for someone who is incredible, outstanding, and extraordinary, which Chef is. So, and he represented, and his representation of the challenge coin lived up to his name.
Right.
Because looking at him do this, it was a challenge. Not for him, because he made it look easy.
Yeah.
But it's absolutely incredible.
So this is a challenge coin that Chef Roach was talking about. And of course there's gold on there, so Hiro has got to decorate this roll with gold. Take a look at this. This has to be the craziest thing we've done in the kitchen. Right, Hiro? In the studio, right?
Today.
Definitely the biggest, fanciest. Only for proper royalty.
Proper. So let's just see how thick and how
Okay,
long
yeah,
this
'cause
big
people at
boy
home-
is. Yeah, get them an idea of 2 inches.
Okay.
And across almost 7.
Almost 7 inches.
Yeah, almost 7 inches.
That is crazy.
2 and
7,
7. Wow.
7.37 pounds. Of course, Hiro wanted to do something very similar to what Chef Rush gave him. Beautiful token. And
Looks better than mine. Looks more delicious than mine.
this is crazy, but
Approve.
if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching if you want to see them trying to knead it. Well, it's actually going to be for Chef Rush to eat.
Yeah, sticks around. They're gonna have to watch some.
Yeah, definitely.
Devour some of this right here. But okay. Yeah.
See you guys soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hiro. All right.
Yes.
Well, to the tasting part, Chef Rush has already started because we did a quick Instagram video. You guys, hopefully you watched it. There's something over there for all of you. Well, actually, one lucky person. Chef, what do you think?
I'm not done yet.
You took 2 bites out of
You
this
already
one.
missed out. We're eating over here.
Yeah.
I got trying.
You did so well the sushi eating contest. Remember over at Sushi Chef Institute?
He wrote it. That's why.
Yeah.
It was perfect size, perfect bite. Now I'm gonna tell you about this one after I bite it.
Gotta go flick. We're just trying to help you reach that 10,000 calorie per day intake that you do. But unbelievable. This is. Actually, I'm surprised. Was a success, Hiro?
Yeah.
And Chef Rush, it's been such a pleasure have you in the studio. No, honestly. You are such an incredible person. You're doing such incredible things. And you got to check out his book. He's got TV deals. He's doing so with Gordon Ramsay. And also coming out with something else, right? Some other...
Something coming up.
Yeah, something coming up.
Surprise.
Yeah, right. Follow him on Instagram. And what other social media do you want them to follow besides Chef Rush?
Where am I? I'm on Twitter and Facebook, all over the place.
Okay.
Find me in your living room. You'll find me somewhere.
Okay.
Or I'm gonna be right here in the studio eating some 24-inch round sushi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you. Such a pleasure.
Hiro-san, it was a great video today. We're at the wrap party at Joe's Stone Crab, and take a look at these beauties. A few orders for Chef Rush.
Just for the beginning.
This is the beginning, yeah. Absolutely enjoy. Thank you so much again for your time today. It
Thank
was
you, guys.
wonderful.
How you doing, sir? Great to have you here. Very good. How you doing, my friend? Yeah, man. Yeah, I didn't want to make This is our community. What can you say? Welcome to my family's restaurant. My wife, Ross. Welcome home. Thank you. What brings you to Miami? I'm actually some friends.